In this video, we'll show you how to use the MEE audio party speaker. To charge, plug the included cable into the USB-C port. Power on the party speaker. A blinking white light indicates that it is ready to pair. Select the MEE audio party speaker in the Bluetooth menu of your device to finish pairing. Party mode lets you link two or more party speakers together. To activate party mode, first connect one of the party speakers to your device. Then, press its multi-link button. Next, press the multi-link button on all of the other party speakers you wish to connect. Wait for party mode to become active. Press the party lights button to turn on and cycle through different light colors and patterns. Press and hold for 3 seconds to turn off the lights. Press the mode button to cycle between dynamic, bass boost, and vocal boost audio modes.
Bass boost.
The party speaker can play audio from Bluetooth, a 3.5mm audio cable, or a USB memory stick loaded with music. Plugging an aux cable or a USB memory stick into the party speaker while it is powered on will automatically switch the audio source to the newest input. When two or more audio sources are connected, press and hold the mode button for 3 seconds to cycle through the available sources. To use the power bank, power the party speaker on. Then plug your device into the USB port to charge. Note that the USB Type-C port cannot be used to charge another device. Press the play-pause button to control media playback and answer or hang up phone calls. Long press the play-pause button to activate Siri or Google Assistant, if supported by your device. Press the volume up or volume down buttons to adjust the volume. Press and hold the volume up button for 3 seconds to go to the next track. Press and hold the volume down button for 3 seconds to go back to the previous track. To restore factory settings and delete all Bluetooth pairings from memory, first power on the party speaker. Then press and hold the play-pause button for 10 seconds. Thanks for watching. Please contact us if you have any questions and visit our website for more information.